Welcome back to Quizlelup. Guess this 50 animals if you really are an animal lover. Let's get started. You can guess this one. It's a cat. A dog. Next one. It's a horse. Next. Right, it's a cow. You must guess this. Buffalo. Another one. Yes, a goat. Guess this one. It's a monkey. Guess this one. Squirrel. Guess this one. Giraffe. It's a rabbit. Try guessing this one. It's an elephant. What is this? It's a sheep. Which animal is this? A donkey. Recognize this. It's a pig. Try guessing this one. Chicken. What is it? It's a deer. Do you know this? It's a camel. Do you know this? It's a peacock. Can you guess this one? It's a bear. Can you guess this one? It's a frog. Guess this easy one. Zebra. Guess this animal. It's a lion. What do you think it is? It's a dolphin. Guess this animal. It's a chameleon. What do you think it is? Right one. It's a turtle. Guess this easy one. It's a tiger. Which one is it? It's kangaroo. Try guessing it. It's ostrich. What do you think it is? It's a yark. Can you guess this one? Fine guess. It's a pandar. Which animal is this? It's a duck. What do you think it is? It's a shark. You can guess this one.
It's koala.
Guess this easy one. It's a fox. Next. It's hyena. Have you seen this animal? It's penguin. What is it? It's emu. What is it? It's a turkey. Which animal do you think it is? It's a wolf. Try this one. It's raccoon. Have you seen this animal? It's a mouse. Try guessing it. It's a wombat. What do you think it is? It's a lemur. Do you know this one? It's a porcupine. Let's guess it. It's a guinea pig. Try this one. It's a hedgehog. Which animal do you think it is? It's a nilgai. Do you know this one? It's a hippopotamus. Which one is it? It's a moose. Try this one. It's chimpanzee. You can guess this one. It's a lynx.